So if you're out there and you're working and your weed whacker starts to vibrate excessively, all of a sudden, it's one of several problems, and I'm just going to be outlining the few main culprit. And I'm going to start off with dirt in your trimmer head. Once dirt gets in there, it's going to start vibrating like crazy. So stop, take this off, clear it out, and see if that's the issue. Another reason is that your trimmer line is getting too short, especially if you're running it without the guard. And then finally, if you're using a blade like this, you didn't install this thing properly. Once it's not set in the middle, it's going to start vibrating like crazy. For those of you who've been trimming them for a while, you're gonna tell the difference. You're gonna know. Well, that's pretty much it if you're trying to diagnose what's going on. So let me know in the comments below if you have any other thing to add to that list that would be causing your weed whacker to vibrate like crazy all of a sudden.